Hi everyone, this is Deborah and today I'm going to take you through some more Tim Holtz goodies that I purchased. So let's get going. These are called, it's an ephemera pack and it's called Field Notes, and I think here somewhere, here I've got a Field Notes snippets as well. So we'll have a quick look at these and see what's in them. Oh wow, there's lots of goodies in here. 134 pieces. Look at all these beautiful butterflies and botanicals. Oh, how gorgeous are they? Look at these. Just amazing. So I'm not going to open the little one because I don't want them. Oh, look at the mushroom. I don't want to get them mixed up, so I'll just put them aside there. And then I've got these, which are called stitched scraps. I'll just get these and open them. And I think these are actual fabric that have been stitched. Could have done this myself, but I thought why not get some while I was there. Yeah, they are. They're just bits of fabric. I've even got some of this fabric. And then you've got to thread the different cotton and you've got to have the different bobbins in, and it's, you know, it's all too much. So you get 14 pieces in here. They're lovely. I'll be able to use them for sure. This is called Ticket Book, and it's actually what it says it is. It's a book of tickets. They're actually card, heavy card, and they're perforated, so you can probably see that there, that you can actually pull them apart to have separate tickets. And then there's big ones, some more little ones. So lots of yummy tickets in that book. The next thing, these are called Thought Tokens. So these are new and they've just got different little sayings on them. They're metal ones. I've got others as well. I think I've got some Halloween ones of these. But, you know, always good to have some more little thought tokens. And these are most adorable. These are tiny clips. Look how small they are. They really are tiny. Let's take one out and have a look. Get that on camera. Look at that. It's minuscule. It's really, really tiny. There you go. Isn't that wonderful? Just getting back. So I've actually got 2 packets of those because I thought that was very cool. Then I've got these, which are called Vintage Flair. 12 pieces. I wasn't sure what they even were, but I picked them up. Oh, they're like a button. Okay. Oh, they are. They're actually like a real button, you know, like a button that you'd, not a sewing button, but those metal buttons that you can pin on yourself, only they don't have the pin. They are very cool. Wow. Then I've got this. This is fabric tape. I've got 2 rolls in here, and it's really fabric. It's not like washi tape or tissue tape. It's actually heavy like fabric. It's not sticky, or it's got a coating on the back of it. They've just stuck that first little bit down, so it's quite strong, the adhesive. That is very cool. And this one is also gorgeous, and I think they're slightly, no, they're the same size, they just look different because of the pattern. Aren't they gorgeous? So instead of having a clear or a bit of a see-through piece of tape, these are actually opaque. These are Vellum Scenes. I wasn't going to get these, but then I thought they looked really interesting, so I would actually get them. And let's just get them out of their packet. Oh, they actually are clear. They're vellum. See that? You can see through them. Wow. They'll be really good in my travel journal because they're all, they're not all, but a lot of them are street scenes. That is very cool. And I know he had some little lights. I didn't see the lights there today. But I don't know whether I'd use that. I do have a few things I could use that in. Look, even that's gorgeous. I'll be able to reuse that piece. Oh, they're nice. And what else have we got? This, I should say, not these, this. So this is It's a collection folder, small. So he did some folders ages ago, and he doesn't do those folders anymore, which is similar to these, but they were a different size. But there you go. I bought one of these today. I wasn't going to get this either again, but I wanted to actually have a look at it and see what it was like. It's really, really heavy, the outside, much heavier than a file folder. So I'll be able to do a project in that one. And I think that's all I've got from Tim Holtz, but I did pick up this as well. This is a paper pack, and it's a 49er Market paper pack. So I love their papers, and it's 6x6. Oh, it's all loose paper, it's not even a paper pack. And it's in that sage, because I've got some of the sage in the junk journal pieces that I bought a few weeks ago. But this is, look at this, I'll be able to make a little mini album. I've been thinking about making a little tiny album, and this is perfect for that. Beautiful, really nice. So that was what I bought at the shop today. This is Deborah. Thanks for joining me while I had a look at what I bought. Cheers.